What a fabulous example we have here. Mercedes SLK 250 diesel Roadster, finished in Iridium silver metallic. Absolute beauty. It really is a gorgeous car. Nice low mileage example. Iridium silver with full black leather upholstery. Registered in July 2015 on a 15 plate. 2.1 diesel, 9-speed automatic. Great fun car. Full electric folding roof. Let's take you all the way around it. Good sized boot. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Carry a couple of suitcases in there with the hood down. The last owner also had a protective cover for it, which is given to us, so that'll be passed on to the next owner. That's the safety catch, so the hood can be folded down. If that's not in position, then the hood won't work. So 2.1 diesel engine delivers just over 200 brake horsepower, matched to the 9-speed automatic gearbox. It's got the 5-spoke alloy wheels, all in lovely condition. No major damage to any of those at all, just the odd little tiny mark, but nothing major at all down the bodywork, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. No dents, scrapes, scratches down the sides. Again, a close up of the near side front wheel. Very close up of the bodywork. As you can see, no major damage at all. The last owner bought it when it was about 2 years old. Full service history. He's absolutely loved the car. We have lots and lots of paperwork, all the invoices. Again, the front wheel in great condition. Of course, you've got the full electric folding roof. Flick of a switch and it's down within seconds. The final wheel, as you can see again, that one there, beautiful condition. Recent tyres on the vehicle. All the door trims in great condition. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel. Black Artico leather, again all in great condition. No rips, tears, burns. You've also got the air scarf, which was an option on the vehicle. A great feature. Beautiful inside. Just 32,715 miles. That's what it's done. 32,715. 2015 car. Extremely low mileage for its age. In such a lovely condition. Got all the stereo controls on the little screen there. Good stereo on the vehicle. USB input, Bluetooth phone, CD player, heated front seats, air scarf. If you could feel it, you'd feel warm air coming out of there. Beautiful on the neck, just keeps it nice and warm when you get the hood down. Of course, automatic gearbox with the Tiptronic. Paddle shift gear change. Cruise control and speed limiter. Onboard computer. Various menus straight in front of you on the dashboard. All nice and clear. Volume controls and the Bluetooth phone connection on there. Dual zone climate control, and the hood works very cleverly very, very sleek, lovely operation, as you can see, nice and quick. See the whole process here of opening and closing. You'll see how sleek it all works and the speed of it. Great fun car to drive. It really is a fabulous car. All fully automated hood, as you can see. Looks gorgeous with the hood up or the hood down. Front sport seats. Mercedes-Benz combined miles per gallon. They reckon 70 plus miles per gallon. They go nice and neat in the boot. And there's a space underneath you with the hood folded down. Got the wind deflector there. So there we have it, our beautiful SLK 2-owner car, 2015, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always welcome, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your monthly payments and apply direct off our website with our finance company. Quick and easy, simple. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website to make sure nobody else beats you to it, and many customers do that. Collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, or we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.